Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to RB Online Classes. Today I am handling your third standard social studies, your fourth chapter, Air, Breathe. So, in your previous chapter, we have learned about how to find the directions. So, by using what you can find the places. So, by using 4 cardinal directions and 4 intermediate directions. And with the help of the sketch also, you can find the direction. And we have also learned about maps and globes, and the people who make the map are known as cartographers. And there is a difference between both maps and globe. So we have discussed this everything in your last session. So in this session we are going to discuss your fourth chapter, that is the air we breathe. So I think everyone are familiar with the air. So air is very necessary to breathe, no? As it is the very necessary thing on the planet Earth. So in the first chapter only I have told you that air, water and the right temperature, these are the necessary things. So writing the keywords mentioned in this chapter. So students, I have told you for the test on today at 12 o'clock. Only few students are attended the test. Please kindly everyone attend the test on time. So those who had already attended the class, so that is very good. So keep going like this only. Now write down the keywords of this chapter. First one is fuel. Fuel means a substance such as coal, oil or petroleum, that is petrol, that is burned to provide heat or power. Heat or power. So write down the second one, disposing. Second one is disposing. Disposing in the sense to throw away something. To throw away something. And third one, nausea. The feeling that you get when you need to vomit. When you need to vomit. Fourth one, compost. A mixture of decayed plants and vegetables. Plants and vegetables. Waste, which is added to the soil to help plants grow. Helps plants grow. So students, these are some of the keywords which are present in this chapter. Next one is fuel. Fuel means a substance such as oil or petrol that is burned to provide heat or power. So to any machine, the fuel is very needed. It is must and should. So fuel may be in the form of coal, in the form of oil, petrol, diesel. You might have heard, no? Parents, bike, car, that everything. What they use? They use a fuel as diesel and petrol. Sometimes in some other vehicles they will use coal. So whatever the fuel may be, that is used for the power. So how it is used? It will be burnt and used for the power. It will provide the power by heating the substance. So that is known as fuel. And the second one, disposing. Disposing means to throw away something. If something is not necessary to you. So for example, a chocolate wrapper. A chocolate wrapper is not necessary to you. What you will do? You throw it away, or else you throw it in the dustbin. So that is known as disposing. Disposing of chocolate wrapper. So call it as a disposing. What do? You throw it away, no? So that is known as to throw away something is called as disposing. Then the third one, nausea. The feeling that you get when you need to vomit. When you vomit, you get a feeling. Sometimes you will tell in the class, no, ma'am, I am feeling vomiting. That the feeling, it gives us the alertness of a vomiting. So that feeling is called as nausea. And fourth one, compost. A mixture of decayed plants and vegetables waste which is added to the soil to help a plant to grow. See here, compost means fertilizer. Fertilizer you might have heard, no? The chemical which is used for growing the plants. This is not the chemical, it is a natural thing. The plant waste and vegetable waste. You will throw the plant waste and vegetable waste away, no? That will be decomposed. Then it forms into the mixture that is called as compost. This compost will be very helpful to grow the plants. And we'll see some of the new words. No need to write the new words, but I am telling it because of the pronunciation. So by the new words, you get to know how to pronounce the new words. List out the new words. First one, atmosphere. Second one, oxygen. Third one, nitrogen. Fourth one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Fifth one, ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays. Sixth one, air pollution. Air pollution. Seventh one, smoke, 8.1 fuel, 9.1 disposing, 10 garbage, and with this garbage, 11.1 crackers, 12.1 bursting, 13. These are some of the new words which are presented in this chapter. First one is ATMOSPER, that is atmosphere, and OXYGEN, oxygen. Third one NitroGen, nitrogen. CARBON, carbon. TIOXIED, dioxide. ULTRAVIOLET, ultraviolet. RAYS, ultraviolet rays. 6.1 air pollution. AIRPOLLUTION, air pollution. 7.1 is atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by layer of air. The earth is surrounded by layer of air called as atmosphere. That is atmosphere. In the atmosphere, so this atmosphere is made up of three main gases. What are those? Those are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Yes, students, our atmosphere is made up of so many gases. So these gases are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. So we'll see what is the importance of oxygen at first. Students, oxygen is very necessary for breathing. So the air we breathe in is a gas, oxygen. The plants will take the air where the carbon dioxide is present. They use both oxygen and carbon dioxide. What the plants will do? They will take the carbon dioxide and they will produce a oxygen for ourselves. So each and every living thing which is present on the earth that needs oxygen compulsory. For what they need oxygen? To breathe the air in. So the air we breathe in is the oxygen. So first point, why is the oxygen necessary for us is so why do we need the oxygen? Just now I told you, for breathing. So it is very necessary for all the living things like humans, birds, animals, and fish. So all this is the oxygen Second ask, ma'am, fish will also take the oxygen. Yes, the fish will also breathe. What it will do? It comes out from the water, oxygen, and it goes again inside. It also needs oxygen for breathing. The air which we breathe, it has a oxygen content. So humans, birds, animals, fish, all of them need oxygen as a necessary thing to live. So then plants need a carbon dioxide. Plant is also a living thing, no? Yes. Plants need carbon dioxide. So why do they need the carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere? So they need the carbon dioxide to prepare food. To prepare food. So these plants will prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide. And then the make the life possible on the earth. What we need? We need an ideal temperature. We need an ideal temperature. What do you mean by ideal temperature? It should not be very hot. It should not be very cold. It should be middle of that. It should be middle of that. So if it is like that temperature, then only we can survive. So the atmosphere, the layer of earth which is present around the earth. So see here, just imagine planet earth. There is a layer which is covering our earth, that is atmosphere. Cool or the colder atmosphere. That is due to the control or the vision of the atmosphere. With the help of the atmosphere only, what we will do? This atmosphere, our temperature will be decided. So it will allow how much is needed, that much only it will allows the heat and both light. And it also protects. See, this atmosphere will also protect us from the ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays. So students, this is sun. This is our planet Earth. So this is a layer of air, that is atmosphere. Yes, what does atmosphere will do? It will not allow the ultraviolet rays. What does the ultraviolet rays will do? It will harm our body. It gives us skin cancer, like that things. These are the harmful rays of sun. So sun will release a harmful rays. So these harmful rays are known as ultraviolet rays. Atmosphere will control this ultraviolet rays. So these are some importance of atmosphere. So I hope you have understood the importance of atmosphere and the carbon dioxide, oxygen. So about the nitrogen and the air pollution, we are going to discuss in the next session. So thank you.